Well, impact weather here on Thursday. We've seen some drastic changes as an Arctic front slid through here just a couple hours ago. High wind warning remains in effect throughout the day. We'll continue to see temperatures fall in those gusts 40 to 60 miles per hour. But what else can you plan for the rest of the week? Well, we'll have fairly quiet weather into the weekend. We'll be back into the 40s Friday through Sunday, and then heading toward Christmas. We got to keep dreaming for a white Christmas because we are mild, dry, likely going to see highs in the 50s most of next week. But a far cry from 50 here this morning as we've seen those strong northwest wind gusts really pick up. These are a handful of the wind gust reports so far. Stanton reported 64 mile per hour wind gusts. Lincoln Airport just before 11:30, 61 so far. Eppley Airfield 51 is our strongest wind gust. Papillion had a report of 59. So the high wind warning remains in effect till 6 o'clock, and it's here. We have better potential to see those 50 to 60 mile per hour gusts. Still wind advisory for the rest of our counties here across southwest Iowa, far southeastern Nebraska. Still the potential to see those gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Currently gusting 51 at Eppley, 52 Norfolk, 44 in Lincoln, 46 in Harlan. So that driving northwest wind. Rough travel, that wicked crosswind on I-80 across eastern Nebraska and western Iowa. We'll still keep those wind gusts up 40 plus miles per hour, likely through the evening commute. And it's not until later tonight we'll finally see the wind start to calm down a bit. But temperatures were in the 40s this morning. We're now in the 20s. They'll continue to drop as the afternoon progresses. So as you head home from work, kiddos head home from school, plan for those wind chill values to be in the single digits. Quite cold right now as that driving northwest wind shakes our camera. You can see the flag blowing here from our vantage point from Methodist Women's Hospital, looking toward the Village Point area. 29 degrees right now, sustained wind, more than 25 miles per hour, making it feel like 14 right now. That biting wind down to 19 air temperature in Lincoln. You see where the front has just started to move through, still in the mid to upper 30s in Falls City and Maryville. But once you factor in that wind, 1 current wind chill in Columbus, Norfolk, 8 in Fremont. So maybe just another hour before we see those single digit readings here in Omaha. The front moved through. You can see pushing some of that colder air in, some wind-driven flurries out ahead of it. We saw the rain overnight, got close to 1/4 inch here at Eppley Airfield from the overnight rainfall, but now the cold winds blowing. Again, watching out for a scattered flurry at times this afternoon. Maybe get a quick burst of light snow northeast of the metro. If you're up toward Carroll, Denison, may see a quick dusting of snow this afternoon. Otherwise, just plan on the cold, windy, cloudy conditions through the afternoon. As we head through the evening, clouds will start to clear out. Temperatures dropping into the teens. Again, single-digit wind chills. Some spots may briefly dip below zero with the wind chill. By tomorrow morning, we're in the mid-teens, start off sunny, but then we pick up a stronger south breeze. So with some sunshine, the south wind, expect to get those temperatures into the low to mid-40s to wrap up the week. And then a quiet weekend, low to mid-40s Saturday, Sunday, and then the warm-up on as we head toward Christmas, low to mid-50s. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and it's looking likely now Christmas Day, Thursday, we'll see those low to mid-50s as well.